A very warm day everyone. This is you Ashwini. I listen from myself English Medium School, dealing with subject English of class 3. See children, in our last video, we discussing about the topic is the Jane Panda lesson, how to explain it. Okay, now we are going to the Jane Panda of grammar part. Okay, this one is the part 1 of Jane Panda as grammar part. Okay children, now let us go to our grammar part. Are you ready children? Yes? Okay. Now be Roman. Listen to your teacher read out section 2. Take the correct words to complete the sentences. Okay all of you? The first one is a Jane Panda lives for about dash years. Okay, how many years Jane Panda live? Yes, how many years ma'am? A 35, B 100, C 25. What is the answer? How many years Jane Panda lives? Yes, a Jane Panda lives for about 35 years. What is the answer? A. Okay, you have to tick that A. And next, second one. If a Jane Panda dash, we know it wants to scare away an enemy. Okay, when enemies are there, then Jane Pandas how can they scare? Yes, A barks, B squeals, C bleats. What is the answer? Barks. Okay, when enemies are there, the Jane Pandas are barks. Okay, we know it's want to scare away an enemy. So second one is A. Third one. If a Jane Panda dash, we know that it is in pain. Okay, A barks, B whines, C squeals. What is more? If a Jane Panda, when it has some pain, so what is the sound? Yes, A barks, whines and squeals. C squeals. Okay. Now fourth one. People hunt the Jane Panda for its dash. Okay, people hunt the Jane Panda for its dash. A fur, B bamboo and C forests. What is more? A fur. People hunt the Jane Panda for its fur. So option is A. Okay. First one A, second one A, third one C and fourth one A. Okay. C Roman. Work in pairs and complete this table about the Jane Panda. Use words or short phrases as given in the example. Okay all of you? First one appearance, second one color, third one size, fourth one movement, fifth one lifespan, sixth one communication and the last seventh one enemies. Okay? See all of you, first one already they gave, same as above you have to write this like. Okay all of you? What is the first one? Appearance. Okay, the Jane Panda, how can it say appearance? Yes, it's sure, it looks like it's large, heavy, big head, round ears, short tail and soft fur. Okay, this look like, okay, it's large, heavy, big head, round ears, short tail and soft fur. Okay, first one already they give, same as like you have to write this remaining 6 ones. Okay, what is that second one? Color. Okay, how is it color? Its color is black and white. You have to write in this box. Okay, what ma? Black and white. Okay, now size. How is it size? It's very large. Okay, large, about 6 feet tall. It's very large and about 6 feet tall. Okay. And now movement. How it is movement? They are good climbers. But okay, they are good climbers. But pandas cannot run fast. You know children? Pandas can move fast? No. Pandas cannot run fast. So what is the answer? How can you what have you write in this blank? Yes, they are good climbers, comma, not good at moving, not good at running. Okay. And now lifespan. Okay, the Jane Panda lives about how many years? Okay, Giant panda's lifespan, how, what mom? 35 years. How many years? 35 years. Okay. And now communication. Okay, communication means how can they communication to each other? Yes, bleat in friendly. Okay, in a friendly nature, they have to sound some bleat. Okay, bleat in friendly and bark to scare an enemy. When they are enemies, are they are bark. Okay, bark to scare an enemy. And some more you have to write also. Okay, and that they have some pain, their sound is squirrels. Okay, but in this box I have only for two. What ma? Bleat in friendly, bark to scare an enemy. Okay, last one, enemies. Okay, who are the enemies of giant panda? Yes, snow leopard, eagle, and mankind. Okay, snow leopard, eagle, mankind. Once again, I will repeat that what I am writing in these boxes. Okay, first one already they gave. The second one, color, black and white. Size, large, about 6 feet tall. Movement, good climbers, comma, not good at running. Lifespan, 35 years. Communication, bleat in friendly, bark to scare an enemy. Enemies, snow leopard, eagle, mankind. Now, D Roman. Match the columns to make complete sentences. Okay? First one, the giant panda. Second one, female pandas. Third one, pandas. Fourth one, pandas make a sound. Fifth one, humans. Okay, another column is A. Have cat-like eyes. B. Like a goat's bleating. C. Kill pandas for their fur. D. Is a symbol of peace in China. E. Are called source. So, what is that first one? The giant panda. Okay, the giant panda is a giant panda means that is a symbol of in China. Okay, that is a symbol of peace in China. So, first one to D. Okay, now female pandas. Female pandas means yes, female pandas are called sows. Okay, are you read the lesson, everybody? Yes or no? Yes. So female pandas are called sows. Okay. So second one to ye. Now third one. Pandas. How can the pandas like? Yes, the pandas like have cat-like eyes. Their eyes are is some cat. Okay. Their eyes cat eyes. Okay. So pandas have cat-like eyes. Okay. So third one to ye. Now fourth one. Pandas make a sound. How is the pandas make sound? It's a goat's bleating sound. Yes. So it's B option. Fourth one to B. Pandas make a sound like a goat's bleating. Okay. Now fifth one. Humans. Humans kill pandas for their fur. Humans actually and humans like a humans kill pandas for their fur. So fifth one to C. Okay. Once again I will repeat. Is the first one D, second one E, third one A, fourth one B, fifth one C. Okay. Now E Roman. Fill in the missing letters to label the parts of the panda. See all of you, here a missing letters and here is a giant panda. Okay. So giant pandas is there some body parts of the, okay, so parts of the panda. Here is some missing letters, you have to fill that one. Okay, is the first one ear, E-A-R, ear. This one is ear. Okay, now second one shoulder, S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R, shoulder. It's now third one thumb, T-H-U-M-B, thumb. Okay, now fourth one head, H-E-A-D, head. Fifth one stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Now last one foot, F-O-O-T, foot. Okay, Is the first one ear, shoulder, thumb, head, stomach and foot. Okay. Now H Roman. We can join some words to make a new word. Match the columns to join the words. Write the new words on the blanks. Okay, all of you? Is the first one after, second one any, third one butter, fourth one food, fifth one some. And this column A times, B prince, C buddy, D noon, E fly. So you have to match these columns and write the blanks. Okay. So first one after noon. Okay. After noon. Anybody. Third one butterfly. Fourth one footprints. Okay. Fifth one sometimes. So you have to write this in the blanks. Okay, first one sometimes, second one footprints, third one anybody, fourth one afternoon, fifth one butterfly.